And, how old are you, Nathan? 12. Wow. Did you have a nice Easter? Was it under the plant pot? It's always under the plant pot, isn't it? And, do you like music? Yeah, what kind of music do you do? Rock. I like rock. I like U2, they're my favourite rock band. There was a documentary the other day about U2, right? Does anybody know the real name of Bono, the lead singer? Because he's got his real name, obviously. Does anyone know what Bono's real name is? Calm me down, Tourette's, man. I'll be with you in a minute. Did you see that documentary about Tourette's? How funny is that?
Oh, God.
They've given him a dog now. They've given him a... How's that possibly going to help giving him a dog? Did he blame the dog? Fuck off! Not me! Charlie! Cheeky Charlie! Talking to a nice lady like that. No, away! Come on, sit down. No, they're going next to the busiest dual carriageway, sitting with a dog. And he's got Tourette's. It was awful. He just stood there the whole time going, come on! Wait! Come on! Wait! Come on! Wait! Doctor, let me go! So, yes, the real name of the lead singer of Paul Houston, right. It's not a joke. I just want to make sure that turd in the box goes to the right address. Because I'm not a fan. I like the edge.